Yo guys, welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Welcome sa inyo dyan. So, ayun, welcome dito sa ating YouTube channel. Meron naman tayong bagong tutorial ngayon. Ang title ng ating tutorial, kagaya nakikita nyo nga sa screen, App Cloner or App Cloner Tagalog tutorial. So, ayan, bago tayo magsimula, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, share at subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. At huwag nyo rin kalimutan i-follow ang aking TikTok account. At kung gusto nyo pala guys makita yung mga gameplay ko na mga videos, search nyo sa Facebook ang pangalang Spry Rayan. Yan yung pangalan ko sa Facebook. Search nyo SPRY space REYIAN. Ilalagay ko sa description ang pangalan. So, ayan, simulan na tayo.
Like,
share, and subscribe to my channel,
subscribe,
The Blind
Explorer TV.
like,
Share, and subscribe to my channel,
subscribe.
The Blind
Explorer TV.
Ayun guys, so yun nga, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, ang ating tutorial is about sa App Cloner or yun nga, App Cloner tutorial. So eto guys, paliwanag ko lang sa inyo kung paano gumagana ang App Cloner. So sa settings lang to guys, wala kayong ibang ida-download na apps, or pwede namang may iba kayong apps na ida-download, pero ibang clones na yun, kasi bago mo ma-open yung clone ng apps na kinloan mo, pupunta ka muna dun sa apps na dinownload mo. Pero ito ngayon, yung lang sa settings lang. Tsaka guys, kapag pag nakapag-clone kayo ng app, parang in-install nyo lang siya ulit, kasi magbabalik siya, halimbawa Facebook. Tapos yung original mo na Facebook, doon nakalagin yung account mo. Tapos pag gagawa ka ng ibang account, doon ka sa clone, pwede ka gumawa. Parang ganun yung yung purpose niya. At saka guys, iba-iba pala yung settings natin, kaya hindi ko rin masisigurado kung meron ito sa inyo. Pero sa akin meron, kaya ituturo ko na lang din sa inyo dito. So, ayun guys, una, punta tayo sa settings.
VPN. Permission VP 831211 Wednesday, June open settings. Button.
Yan, open settings.
Settings. Sign and sign airplane Wi-Fi off. Bluetooth off. Mobile network. Connection and show wallpaper
Hanapin
home
nyo
screen
dito,
display
guys,
light sounds
yung
and vibration. Notifications and quick security and
apps.
privacy. Safety and emergency. Location. Digital loading and infrared apps.
Yan, apps. Hanapin nyo yung apps. So, iba-iba rin pala tayo guys ng settings ng mga phone, kaya hindi ko rin alam kung saan nyo makikita yung yung App Cloner. Basta explore nyo na lang.
Navigate up apps. App management. App cloner create app clones and run them at the same time.
Ito, App Cloner, create app clones and run them at the same time. Ito.
App management. App cloner create app clones and run them at the same time.
Ayan. So, pindutin natin yan.
App cloner.
So, dito,
If you create a clone of a supported app, the clone will be added to the home screen and run independently of the original app. The performance of the clone depends on the degree of adaptation by its developer, and thus it may be different from the original app. App Cloner does not support third-party launchers. You can clone up to 2 apps at the same time. Facebook off. If you create a clone of a supported app, the clone will be added to the home screen and run independently of the original app. The performance of the clone depends on the degree of adaptation by its developer, and thus it may be different from the original app. App Cloner does not support third-party launchers. You can clone up to 2 apps at the same time.
so, ayan. So, ganyan yung niya,
App
yung
Cloner. Navigate up button.
niya, yung kumbaga description niya.
Advanced. Other apps. Advanced settings. Other apps. Telegram off.
So,
Messenger
ito
off.
yung mga
Facebook off.
pangunahin dito. Facebook,
Messenger off.
Messenger,
Telegram off.
Telegram. So, hanapin natin yung other apps.
Other apps.
Pero dito muna tayo sa
Advanced
advanced settings.
App Cloner. App Cloner trouble. Navigate up button. App Cloner troubleshooting. Navigate up advanced settings. More options button. App Cloner trouble. More options button.
Ito,
Pop up
ito.
window. Delete app clones.
So, dito pwede nyo i-delete yung mga app clones. Pero dahil wala pa naman akong na-clones na app, hindi muna natin
Back
i-delete.
App Cloner navigate advanced. More options button. App Cloner troubleshooting.
So,
Back
may app
button.
cloner troubleshooting din dito.
App Cloner.
So, ayan, pwede nyo to guys magamit sa inyong mga halimbawa, may kayo, gumagawa kayo ng ibang Facebook account or Messenger account or TikTok account or Telegram. Ayun. Or kahit anong apps na gusto nyo lang i-clone para in case na in case na mahirapan kayong i-open yung isa, meron kayong isang apps na i-open. So, ayun. So, try
Accessibility home
natin.
button. If you create Facebook off, Messenger off, Telegram off. Other apps.
Other apps tayo para makita natin lahat.
The following app accessible tennis off. The following apps can be cloned, but their clones may not work properly due to adaptation issues. Access. The following app search box. Other apps. Navigate up button. Audio lab off. Audio game. Wizards Play Arizona screen recorder off.
So, halimbawa,
EPI Eloquence TTS off. HQ internal audio recorder off. Noise reducer off. Robots off. Sci off. Samsung screen receiver AI off. Smart voice on and off. Match Spotify make Spotify music Suno off. Super sound eyes behind the game off. TikTok off. TikTok to the TTC off. To the Dragon Cave off. TTC off. TTC V3.0 and off. Reddit VidMate off. Vidma recorder vocalizer voice change wise app Windows off. YT music off.
so, ayan yung mga apps na pwede nating i-clone.
For voice off. Project Dark off. HQ internal audio recorder off. Firefox off. Final Duo File Manager. Final Duo off. File Clear off. ETI 11 Reader off. Echo List 3 off. 11 ETI Clear off. Final Firefox Gemini off. Gold Teeth Home Launcher HQ and G-Slow Plus off. Lookout off. Lost in Blindness off. Monastoria RPG off. Midrock Services off. Monastoria Lost in Blind Lookout off.
Ito kaya.
G-Slow HQ internal home launcher off. Gold TTS Gemini off. Firefox off. Final Duo off. File Manager Plus off. Clear off. ETI Eloquence TTS 11 Reader off. Echo List 3 off. Echoes from Levy. Limited Right off. Dice Games off. Cricket Masters off. Copilot off. Conjuring off. Cache Reader off. Blind Drive off. Blind Cricket Light off. Blind Cricket Bible off. Be My Eyes off. API Western Drama off. Arizona Screen Recorder off. Audio Game. Audio Lab APK Explorer App Tool M off. App Mirror Installer. Beta off. Android System Key Verifier off. Ambush off. AI VoiceOver off. AADV Screen Recorder Accessible Tennis off. ADV Screen Recorder off.
So, ayan yung mga pwede nating i-clone. So, try natin mag-clone dito ng isa.
Home launcher off. Back button.
Bawa,
App owner.
itong,
Accessibility home. If you Facebook Messenger off. Telegram off. Messenger off. Telegram off.
bawa ito, Telegram. So, i-clone natin
Messenger
to.
off. Telegram off.
Ayan.
App cloner. Create app clone. Navigate Telegram. Navigate up button. Create app clone off. On. Creating app Telegram. Clone. Added to home screen.
Ayan, Telegram clone.
Rename app clone to default app to open always ask.
So, ito yung
Rename
ano
app clone
niya.
Telegram. Clone.
Yan, Telegram clone.
Back
So,
button.
try naman natin yung
App cloner.
Facebook.
Facebook Messenger. Other app. Advanced setting. Other apps. Messenger off. Facebook off. Telegram on. Facebook off. App cloner. Create app clone off. On. Facebook. Clone. Added to home screen.
Yan. So,
Back button.
tingnan natin.
App cloner. Back button. Apps. Settings. Home screen accessibility. Home. Spotify. New SmartList. ADV screen accessible tennis. Windows. Telegram. Facebook. Telegram.
So, Telegram lang din guys. So, baka malito kayo. So, ang gawin nyo, i-add nyo na lang yung mga apps nyo na original sa iba't ibang parts ng home screen. Tapos yung clone, i-add nyo lang sa magkakatabi. Para hindi kayo malito.
Facebook. Home. Facebook. Telegram.
So, ayan o.
Application icon.
So, parang parang
The world's fastest messaging app. The
Ayun,
free to Telegram. Start messaging. Switch to night theme. Start messaging. The world's fastest messaging app. Telegram delivery. Telegram provides free powerful. Telegram has no limits. Powerful. Telegram provides free unlimited cloud storage for chats and media. Powerful. Telegram has no limits on the size of your media and chat secure. Telegram has no limits on the size of your media secure. Telegram keeps your messages cloud-based. Telegram lets you access your messages from multiple to home button.
So, yun lang
Spotify
guys.
music
So,
download and overview
kung gusto
button.
nyo naman siya guys
System
i-delete,
launcher.
balik
Button.
lang tayo doon.
Your system is now in optimal condition. VPN. Permissions. V8012 Wednesday open settings. Wi-Fi. Off open settings. Button. Settings. Mobile connection wallpapers and homes display sounds and vibration. Notification
So,
security and safety and
ito.
emergency location. Digital loading and apps.
Ito. So, open natin yung apps ulit.
Apps. Navigate up apps. App cloner. Create app clones and run them at the same time.
So, dito, kung gusto nyo siya guys
App owner.
i-delete ng isahan na lang, meron ako ditong ituturo. Dito,
Navigate
yun
up
nga
button.
sa advanced
Advanced
settings.
App cloner. App cloner. Navigate advanced settings. More options button. Pop-up window. Delete app clones. Delete app clones. Delete app clones. Delete app clones. All app clones and their data will be deleted. The device will restart. Delete and restart button. Cancel button.
So,
Delete and
i-restart
restart all app
nyo
clones and
daw
their data will be
guys.
deleted.
So,
The device will restart.
ayan, kung gusto nyo i-delete lahat ng sabay, pwede yan. Kaso, naka-record tayo ngayon, kaya hindi ko i-delete. Pero kung gusto nyo i-delete na lang ng isahan lahat ng clone apps,
Delete and cancel button. Delete and restart button.
ayan, delete
Cancel
and
button.
restart. Pero wag muna sa akin,
App
hindi ko
cloner.
pa siya.
App cloner. Navigate advanced settings. More options button. Back button. App cloner. Accessibility home if you create Facebook on.
So, way off natin sila kung ayaw nyo nang gamitin. Ayan.
App cloner. Create app clone on. Rename app clone. Create app clone on. Off. Delete the clone of Facebook.
Ayan, delete the clone of Facebook. Nagtatanong siya. So,
Delete the clone of Facebook. Delete the clone of Facebook. The clone of Facebook and its data will be permanently deleted. This action cannot be undone. Cancel button. Delete button. App cloner. Deleting. App cloner. The clone of Facebook has been deleted. Create app clone off. Navigate up button. App cloner. If you create a Telegram, Facebook off. Telegram on. App cloner. Telegram. Navigate up button. Default app to open always ask. Rename app clone create app clone on. Rename app create app clone on. Rename app create app clone on.
So, i-off natin.
Off. Delete the clone of Telegram. Delete the clone of Telegram. Delete the clone of Telegram. The clone of Telegram and its data will be permanently deleted. This action cannot be undone. Cancel button. Delete button. App cloner. Delete. Deleting.
So, ayan,
The clone of
naka-delete
Telegram
na.
has been deleted. Home
So,
button.
tingnan natin.
Overview button. System launcher. Settings. Close button. ADV screen recorder.
So, tingnan natin.
Home. Windows. Home. Spotify. New smart
So,
to ADV.
ayan,
accessible
wala na
settings.
dito,
Windows.
guys.
Home. Spotify music downloader to
Kasi
MP3
tatlo
Spotify
yung
downloader.
part ng home screen ko. So, nandito tayo sa home screen 3. So,
Home screen 2 of 3.
yan.
Home screen 1 of 3.
So, tatlo yung yung home screen na ano ko. Yung parts ng home
TikTok.
screen
Facebook.
ko.
Messenger.
So, ito yung ano, yung mga clone na ano natin. No?
Facebook. Telegram has 0 notification.
Ayan, nandito
Messenger.
sila sa may
Facebook.
ano, sa may main home screen ko. So, ayun guys. So, salamat pala guys sa inyong panonood ng aking video. At yun, paki-subscribe na lang din ang aking YouTube channel. At kung natuwa kayo, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, like, share at subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. So, ayun lang guys. Salamat sa inyong panonood.